Emery, can you say good morning? Say, I'm having bananas, blueberries, and pancakes. My grandma made me bananas, blueberries, pancakes. Can you say hello? Can you wave? Say, oh, I want the phone. I want the phone. Can you show how you use a fork? How you use a fork? Get it, Em. Get it. Ready? Let's try. Ready? Get it, get it, get it. Got it. There you go. How do you use a fork? Can you put it in your mouth? Do you already have something in your mouth? Ready? There it goes. Good job, Em. Good job. Say, I'm eating breakfast. This is easier. Just use the fingers. Nom nom. Love the blueberries. Yes. Can I have kisses? Kisses? Say bye-bye. 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 Goodbye. Say goodbye. Are you going to dance? Oh, there's a bye-bye. Bye-bye.